So a ruling planet is a planet that rules a sign. So if you are an Aries, then the ruling planet of Aries is Mars. If you are a Libra, then the ruling planet is Venus. So each sign has a ruling planet. And so what rules the chart is if you have a rising sign and you determine your rising sign, you want to put in a search bar of your favorite search engine, your chart or how to find your chart. And then you type in your name, your date and place of birth and your time of birth. And then you can get your rising sign. And then your rising sign, my rising sign is Cancer. And so Cancer is ruled by the moon. So based upon your rising sign, is the planet which rules your rising sign is the ruling planet of your birth chart.